Can apple cider vinegar help with menstrual cramps or regulate periods?
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing around: apple cider vinegar and its potential benefits for menstrual cramps and period regulation. Let's see what the evidence suggests.
What is apple cider vinegar?
Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a type of vinegar made from fermented apple juice. It's been touted for numerous health benefits, from aiding weight loss to improving heart health. But can it really help with menstrual issues?
ACV and menstrual cramps.
Menstrual cramps, or dysmenorrhea, can be quite painful for many women. Some natural remedies and dietary changes are believed to alleviate these cramps. Anecdotal evidence suggests that consuming apple cider vinegar might help reduce the intensity of menstrual cramps. The theory is that ACV may help balance the body's pH levels and reduce inflammation. However, scientific studies on this specific benefit are limited. So, while some women swear by it, others might not see a noticeable difference.
ACV and period regulation.
Regulating periods involves more than just tackling cramps. Factors like hormonal imbalances, diet, and stress can affect the regularity of menstrual cycles. Some believe that apple cider vinegar might aid in regulating blood sugar and insulin levels, which can, in turn, have an effect on menstrual cycles. However, it's essential to note that while there are some preliminary studies on ACV's effects on blood sugar, there's no direct scientific evidence linking ACV to period regulation.
How to use ACV.
If you're considering trying apple cider vinegar for menstrual issues, always dilute it before consumption. Direct consumption can erode tooth enamel and cause stomach discomfort. A common recommendation is mixing 1 or 2 tablespoons of ACV in a large glass of water. It's also essential to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or health regimen. In summary, while apple cider vinegar has numerous purported health benefits, its direct effect on menstrual cramps and period regulation is not scientifically established. If you're interested in trying it out, proceed with caution and always prioritize your health and well-being. We hope this video has shed some light on this topic for you. Stay healthy and informed.